Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, luggage rack. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.